Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe, the youngest son of the late former Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe, has abandoned his bail application for a plea bargain. Sarabina mashoko buda panguva ino chinoka kunzi aiwa Chatunga panguva ino orivhesa oti aiwa bodo hatichaiti bail application. Sarabina mashoko buda achitsanangurwa panguva ino kuti why Chatunga auya akaramba bail. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina with the news ox. Mudanyura chiti. A plea bargain is a negotiated agreement in the criminal law where a defendant pleads guilty to a lesser charge or to one of multiple charges in exchange of a more lenient sentence or the dismissal of more serious charges. Chatunga and his co-accused Tobias Mugabe Matonodze have instead elected to enter into plea negotiations with the state and prosecution. The pair appeared at Alexandra Scott, Johannesburg, yesterday morning following delays earlier in the week due to power outages. The matter has been transferred to a regional court to facilitate negotiations under Section 105A of the Criminal Procedure Act, which allows for a negotiated resolution without a full trial. Both suspects will remain in custody and are scheduled to return to the court on 17 March. Authorities have added a charge of defeating the ends of justice. This is in addition to the existing charges of attempted murder and illegal possession of a firearm. The charges stem from a shooting at Mugabe's Hyde Park, actually Stand-based residence, last where a 23-year-old gardener was shot and left in critical condition. Police have yet to recover the firearm used in the incident, despite searching the property and diving into the swimming pool. The news office established the gun was taken from the scene by one of Chatunga's friends. The state has raised questions regarding the legal residency status of both Mugabe and Matonodze in South Africa. Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF has stated it does not condone the alleged violence and insists that Mugabe must face the full force of law in South Africa. Doma developments aripo. When I comment section, meduza fungulo aim to give pamusoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.